Hello and welcome. In this short video, I will show you a new security control in Atlassian Guard Standard that rolled out in March 2026. It's the ability to block access to Atlassian apps from mobile browsers. If your organization wants users to only access Atlassian tools through the official mobile app or desktop browser, this one is for you. I'm Marvin and I'm working as a technical support engineer DevOps at Resolution.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine. Brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
Before we dive in, let's quickly understand the problem. When a user accesses Jira or Confluence through a mobile browser like Safari or Chrome on their phone, it can be harder to enforce device-level security policies, so things like mobile device management certificate or app-level data loss prevention. By blocking mobile browser access, you ensure users go through the Atlassian mobile app instead. Where those controls are fully in effect. Let's set this up. First, I will navigate to Atlassian Administration. Here I will go to Security, User Security, and Access Policies. You can see already the new flag here. And now I will create a new policy. Let's give it a name and click Create. You already see this access policies is where we define who can access what, from where, under which conditions, and these policies block access to the organization based on user or device. Inside this policy, let's have a look at these two criteria. So the policy criteria is already browser is mobile and the access control is set access to organization allow. We will switch it to block and save our policy. Now, if we go a step back, we can already see this policy in our access policy list, and the access status is block, but the current status of this policy is inactive. Let's go to Actions, Edit Policies. And now I will turn on this policy. Let's click on Activate. And let's go back here. And now we can see that the status is active. So any user who tries to open Jira or Confluence in a mobile browser will be shown a message telling them to use the Atlassian mobile app instead. They won't be able to proceed in the browser. So let's have a look how it will look like. I basically changed my settings here that it looks like that I'm coming from a mobile browser. It didn't work. And you can now see that this you can't access this content because your admin applied a security policy that block access to apps in this organization. So it worked, and that's all we want to have achieved. So to wrap up, blocking mobile browser access is a simple but effective security control. It takes about 30 seconds to enable it, but it applies immediately and ensures your users always go through the secure mobile app experience. You will find it at admin.atlassian.com, Security, User Security, Access Policies. And it requires Atlassian Guard Standard. Thanks for watching.
This is my time.